Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve 3 questions from Real Numbers chapter which had appeared in section A of CBSE Board Exam 2026 Variant 1 paper. So let us start with the first question now. The highest common factor HCF of 960 and 432 is. Now let us go for prime factorization of these two numbers and let us begin with 960. Now we have to use only prime numbers to divide the given number. So let us start with 3. So 3 times is 9, 3 2 times is 6 and 3 0 times is 0. Now 320 goes in the table of 2. So 2 1 times is 2 and we get a remainder 1 making this 12. So 2 6 times is 12 and 2 0 times is 0. Now again 160 goes in the table of 2. So 2 8 times is 16 and 0. So 280 times is 160. Now 240 times is 80. 220 times is 40. Now 210 times is 20 and 25 times is 10. And finally we have got 51 times is 5. So we have to keep on doing this till we reach a number 1. Now these are the prime factors of 960. So 960 is equal to, now the number 2 has occurred 6 times. So here we have written 2 6 times. Times 3 times 5. Now using the same method, let us find out the prime factors of 432. Now 432 goes in the table of 2. So 2 times is 4, 2 1 times is 2. So we get a remainder 1 here, giving us 12. So 2 6 times is 12. Now 216 goes in the table of 3. So 3 7 times is 21 and 3 2 times is 6. Now 72 again goes in the table of 3. So 3 2 times is 6. We get a remainder 1 giving us 12 and 3 4 times is 12. Now 3 8 times is 24. 8 goes in the table of 2. So 2 4 times is 8. 2 2 times is 4 and 2 1 times is 2. So here we have written 432 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 2 has appeared 4 times and 3 has appeared thrice. Now to find out the highest common factor of these two numbers, let us circle out the common factors of these two. So we can see that 2 is a common factor. Again 2 is a common factor and there is one more 2 which is common between these two numbers and we have another 2 over here and now we have a 3 which is common in these two numbers. So here we have to take the product of the common factors, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 times 3 is 48. So here the HCF of these two numbers is option A, that is 48. The natural number 2 is a prime number, is a composite number, is prime as well as composite, is neither prime nor composite. Now remember that 2 is a prime number and it is the smallest prime number. So here 2 is going to be a prime number. It is not a composite number. It is only a prime number. For any natural number n, 6 to the power of n ends with the digit 0, 6, 3 or 2. Now natural numbers are all positive numbers and they start with 1. Whole numbers start with 0 but natural numbers start from 1 and it keeps on going till infinity. Now here it is given that 6 to the power of n ends with the digit. So let us plug in the values of n over here one by one and check what value we get for 6 raised to n. So when n is 1, we get 6 to the power of 1 giving us 6. Now when n equal to 2, we get 6 to the power of 2 which is 6 times 6 and 6 times 6 is 36. Now here we can see that 6 to the power of 1 has ended with number 6. 6 raised to 2 has ended with a digit 6. Now when n equal to 3, we get 6 cube which is equal to 6 times 6 times 6. So basically this is 36 times 6 which gives us 216. So again we can see that this number is ending with 6. So no matter what value of n you take for this number, it is always going to end with 6 because any number you get is always going to get multiplied by 6 giving us the last digit as 6. So here the answer is going to be B, that is 6. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.